What's good, everybody? On today's video, I'm going to show you how to hook up a mini tank electric water heater into your above ground pool and heat it up and extend the life of the swimming season. You don't need to do any solar heating things that you guys seen on YouTube. This solution is the most effective, simple, and cheapest per month that you're actually going to get. It plugs into a regular 120 volt outlet. The Camplux mini tank electric heater is 6-gallon capacity, but it does come in different capacity. And when you're done with the pool, even use it as a portable shower in your RV. So many applications, very inexpensive, simple solution. Anybody can plug this in. Stay tuned for the whole video.
All right, guys, so this is the box. This is the 10 by 10 by 30 pool. Holds about 2,000 gallons. But of course, the temperature of the water is always just a little too cold. We have a solar blanket, does not really do what we want. Now we have weather that's about 40 degrees Celsius. We've had it for about a week and a half and it's nice, but we do have a cover on here as well, so the sun just doesn't hit it as well as we want it. So what we want to do is we want to tap on a heat pump and hook it up to there. Now there's going to be some Frankensteining going on, so let's open this up. This is one of the better reviewed pumps on Amazon. It is the Camplux Mini Tank. Now this will work with 110 volts and that's kind of what we needed. All right, so here we are. This is the unit. As you can see, it's actually quite large. It is 6 gallons, I believe. Again, the Camplux mini tank that we're going to be using to heat that pool. At the very top of the pump, you have your tap relief valve opening, so your cold water inlet from there is going to come into here, and then hot water outlet is going to basically come from here into there. Inside the box came the relief valve, so this you basically screw into here, and then when you want to release it, you just psst. That's all you need to be done with this. This is your manual, and this is the bracket, which essentially just holds this up on the wall, under a cupboard or whatever. It just basically goes under here like that. So that's how you mount this. All right, guys, so we just came back from Home Depot and this is what we got. So this is basically a better version of that pipe there. So we got 5 feet worth. This is going to go from the hot water outlet right here back into the pool. So we needed to essentially take this and we needed to insert a thread. It's a 3/4 inch with a thread for the drain hose, and it's on both sides. So 1, 2, the inside doesn't matter because we basically stuck it inside here and it was a very tight fit. We also put a clamp on it, and now we're gonna go and thread this on here. So we're gonna put a little Teflon tape and then we're gonna go and thread it nice and tight. All right, so this pipe is done and now we're ready for our cold water inlet. Now we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take this and we're gonna go and put Teflon on that. And before we do that, we're going to attach it to this pipe. This is the old pipe. So we're gonna basically take that, put it inside there, clamp it, and then put that on there, and then we're pretty much ready to turn this on. All right, so we threaded this 3/4 inch hose adapter, double hose adapter, onto our existing pipe. And remember, this one is already going from the filter out into the pool. So we're going to intercept this and put this over the cold outlet because we want the water to be filtered before it goes into the tank. So we're going to go and put this on, tighten this up, and we're going to turn on the pump. All right, so this one's in. Now let's go and turn this on. All right, let's plug it in. Now, heat pump is just on. There's no on-off switch. There is a reset button, but to get to it, you have to pretty much open the bottom panel. So it's on right now. So we know that there's a knob here and the light is on, so we know that it's working. So now this is going to heat up the water that's inside the tank. All right, so what you guys are hearing is the pump. The pump is doing its thing. Oh, it's already started pushing out water. So let's have a look and see what temperature the pump is. So the water is, oh yeah, it's already much warmer. You can see that it's coming and going, coming and going, coming and going, right? Because it's based on the pump. So we probably could get a better pump, but we're not going to bother, obviously. This water right here that I'm touching is actually very nice and warm. So as long as we can maintain this temperature inside the pool, we're good. So let's go and hook it into the original pipe. All right, so the pump is on and it's pumping somewhat warm water in there. We're going to leave this for the whole night and we're going to test the temperature of the pool now. So you can see it's quite cold. 16.9.
Okay, so the heater pump is running all day and night, and I can feel that the water is pretty warm. So let's grab our thermometer and let's test it.
Look at that, 28.5. That is insane. It's warmer in the pool than it is outside. So definitely want to go and pick one of those up. So that's the video. Thank you so much for watching.
We'll see you in the next one.